It's a great question. Do digital banks like Neon offer traditional savings accounts? When you hear digital bank, you often think checking accounts, debit cards, and seamless apps. But what about a dedicated place for your long-term savings? The short answer is no, not in the traditional sense, but they have something better. See, a traditional savings account is usually separate from your checking account and is designed for money you don't need immediately. Neon, the Swiss neobank, primarily focuses on an all-in-one digital current account for everyday finances. Instead of a separate savings account, Neon uses a feature they call spaces. Think of spaces as digital savings pots or subaccounts built right into your main Neon account. You can create different spaces for different goals, like a travel fund, an emergency fund, or new laptop savings. You simply name it, set a target, and transfer money from your main account into that space. The major benefit here is organization and visualization. You keep your goal money totally separate from your spending money, making it much easier to stick to your budget without the mental confusion of everything being in one balance. Now, a key difference from a classic savings account is the interest. Currently, Neon spaces don't accrue interest. If earning a high interest rate on your savings is your absolute top priority, you might need to look for a separate high-interest savings account elsewhere. However, Neon does offer alternative ways to grow your money within the app, like their Neon Invest feature, allowing you to easily put your money into stocks and ETFs. This is a move toward more dynamic financial tools, rather than just simple, low-interest savings. So, while you won't find a product labeled Neon Traditional Savings Account, you get the organizational power of spaces, which is often what people are really looking for in a modern savings tool. The bottom line, if your goal is to clearly separate and manage money for various short-term goals, Neon Spaces are an excellent, intuitive solution. If high interest is the only thing that matters, you'll need to combine Neon's account with a dedicated savings product from another institution.